Hello to my subscribers and hello to everyone. Dan husking coconuts. Five men were doing husking work from 11 a.m. to 12 noon. They husked 1,388 pieces of coconuts. These were what it looks like. My hubby, we're gathering to the center for it will going to rain tonight. It will be covered by a husk to protect it from incoming rain. The buyer will charge any discount price if the appearance of the husked coconut was not good. So we must be careful with regards to the appearance of our coconut because the buyer still to buy tomorrow morning, and we decided to do this so that the appearance of the coconut will be protected and they could not charge us any discount. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a nice day and farewell.